When you need the power and performance of a petrol chainsaw, but don't want the hassles of pull cords and exhaust fumes, the 36V HP Brushless 20-inch chainsaw from RYOBI has you covered. The first thing you'll notice is how easy it is to start. It's got a powerful HP Brushless motor and advanced electronics that optimise the high-performance battery it comes with. That's what delivers the massive amount of torque or cutting power this tool harnesses. It's the ideal saw for cutting large trees, especially Australian hardwoods. And it makes light work of smaller trees too. So it's the perfect tool for rural properties or when you're heading into the bush. The dual studs and captive bar nuts secure the bar and keep it tensioned for optimum performance. And it's got a felling line for those more experienced users. The metal handle and bucking spikes enhance bar stability, especially during those deep cuts. Auto oiling reduces friction and wear during operation and keeps the saw operating at peak performance. The mechanical brake provides kickback protection. Find your RYOBI 36V HP Brushless 20-inch chainsaw 8 amp kit at your local Bunnings.
RYOBI.